Hi guys, today I'm here with an application called Sedge. In this, you can find millions of popular wallpapers and ringtones and personalize your font to suit you. A huge collection of free wallpapers and ringtones for you are waiting out. What you have to just do is go to your Play Store, find Sedge, then you will find Sedge wallpapers and ringtones, then just install them. For me, it's already done, so I'm just opening it. There are many options including wallpaper, wallpapers, ringtones, games, merch, etc. The wallpaper and the ringtones are totally free. We can pay for the video wallpaper. We can even open certain games. See, it's loading. And there are even merch products that is set to be sold. Let me show you how to add wallpapers. See, there are many categories. If you want, you can choose from one of them, or you can even search. See, here is a search option. You can search from there. Now I am choosing PUBG, and see, there is a list of pictures that are really amazing and are good quality. See, and choose your favorite one. If you want to customize, you can do it. Simply set it to your lock screen or wallpaper. Likewise, you can choose ringtones, search your favorite music or select any one of them. See, it's using this. You can set it as your alarm sound, notifications, ringtone, or for a specific contact, or for the whole accordingly as you wish. See, there are a list of options. This application is really mesmerizing, so you must definitely try it. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my